Hello everybody, we are back again. I had to go idle. I'm not gonna tell you all why though. Anyways, let's just go to the safe room. Let's just shoot it. Alright. Oh man, we are really injured. Yeah, it says here the gas is definitely inside. Okay. Let's grab a Molotov or... oh yeah, close it. Well, we closed the tongue, no, we closed the door on the tongue. Alright, now we're on the mill escape. Mill. The mill escape. Okay. I'm pretty excited. This will be my freaking, fourth trying to make this entire series for Hard Rain. No joke. I've been interrupted a lot. Anyways, I think we did good. Alright. Let's get that last med kit. Ah, dang it. Alright. We ready? Yeah, I think we're ready. Alright, we got our fuel. We have to turn the gas to the boat. Oh, snap. Mr. Twilight, it kind of breaks. Wait, Zoe. Somebody's name is Zoe, but it's Nick. What the heck? Okay. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I don't even see it! Get to the safe room! Ow! It's so derpy! Ah! Why? Why? Poor Zoe. Hashtag Nick. Somebody kill me. Kill me, then revive me. Yes. It's only been 4 minutes and the video, we're not even halfway into the whole thing. Alright, let's just randomly shoot. Whoa, no, I really don't want to die, guys. I really don't. Just get up on here. Whoa. Oh, never mind. Okay. Man, this is like a black and white film. Whoa. I can't really see. I have to keep my light on. Wait, what? I don't even know what happened. There's always a jockey waiting right there. I can't move. That charger is an idiot. Anyways. I can barely move. Revive me. Please. Oh, okay. Thank you. Thank you, Zoe. Ow. Ah! Oh my gosh! You freaking kidding me? Whoa. Okay, guys, we really have to find Zoe. Follow me, okay? Alright, yeah, we'll follow you. I trust you. I trust you. Oh, he still has the defib unit. Oh! Okay. I had no idea I was friends with Zoe, because this was a friends-only server, but whatever. What? Oh, I guess he... What the heck? I don't know how... pipe bomb. Oh wait, we only have one pistol. Let's get the katana then. Oh, we can't move! Oh my gosh, at all. We can't move, oh my gosh, at all. That makes perfect sense. Help me. Alright, well this video is gonna end. It's behind us. The jockey is behind us. I swear, I'm not holding shift, guys. Like, I'm at 1%.